Hey, fourth grade math, welcome to page 205 and 206. I had the board totally ready and then realized that you guys don't even need the board. Can you believe that? Because all I have to help you with on these pages today is number 1. And number 1 is a cool activity. And I think that you guys will do amazing in it. Okay, so let's do a couple together and then I'm going to let you go on your own, okay? Look what it says in number 1. Read these story problems. And you're like, oh my word, there's a bazillion word problems there, Miss Jessica. Yeah, but they're not asking you to solve them. Look what they're saying. Information necessary to solve the problems is missing. It's like a mystery. You have to find the clues and then solve the mystery. Look what it says. Write what must be known before the problem can be solved. So for example, look at letter A. Russell bought some pencils for 18 cents each. What was the total cost of the pencils? Well, can you know that? Every pencil costs 18 cents. So what was the total cost? What else do you need to know the total cost? What do you think? What else do you need to know? How many pencils did he buy? So your answer here is how many pencils did Russell buy? That's what you need to know. Okay, look at number 2, or letter B, pardon. Rachel's grandmother lived to be, what is that in Roman numerals? What is that in Roman numerals? XCL. Okay, well, X is 10, but C is 100, so 100 minus 10, 90, right? And then the L, I always forget this, is 50. So you have, right, it's 50. So 90 plus 50 is 140. No, pardon, it's not L, it's 1. I kept looking at it as an L. Oh no, K-Pana, sorry. So X and C is 90, then 1, 91. So Rachel's grandmother lived to be 91. I was like, if she lived to be 140, that's a lot of years. Okay, 91. How many years longer did her grandmother live than her grandfather? How many years longer did her grandmother live than her grandfather? So what else do you need to know? What's the mystery? How many years did her grandfather live? We don't know. Okay, that's your answer. How many years did Rachel's grandfather live? Okay, look at letter C. Psalms has 150 chapters. How many more chapters does Psalms have than Genesis? Psalms has 150 chapters. How many more chapters does Psalms have than Genesis? What do we need to know? How many chapters does what? Genesis have? Which, by the way, we could figure that out. And guys, the rest of them you can do by yourself, okay? I'm going to read them for you to make sure that you understand them. You write down the answer. Christy wants to make half of a cookie recipe. How much sugar should she use? Christy wants to make half of a cookie recipe. How much sugar should she use? So what do you need to know? Letter E. Blake ran the mile in 12 seconds less than Dennis. How long did it take Blake to run 1 mile? What do you need to know? Callie spelled 17 of the spelling words correctly. How many words did she miss? What do you need to know? And how much change, how much cambio, did Mr. O'Toole get from $5? What do you need to know? Okay, the rest of it is all up to you, you guys. Just be very careful with, look at number 3, letter I. Look at number 3, letter I. 1 gram equals how many kilograms? It's a fraction because gram is very small. It's 1 over something. Okay, letter J is the same way. 1 gram equals how many hectograms? Well, it's 1 over something because the gram is a smaller one. Also, make sure that you check your division on number 5. And on number 6, try those because they're just one problem with different instructions for each problem, but it's all stuff that you know. So don't tell me that you don't know it, okay? The only one that you get to cross out is letter G. Number 6, letter G, you do not have to do. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.